My shirt. My shirt. I had to return my shirt. I've lost so many times. I've lost so many shorts. Even the old lady at TJ Maxx wouldn't let me keep the shirt. I gotta stop shorting every time, dude. I keep listening to people tell me, Elliott Wave, Elliott Wave, Elliott Wave. This isn't freaking football. This is not Ezekiel Elliott. This isn't no Elliott Wave. This is not football. I'm gonna give it to Jordan. I'm done. I'm done.
Let's jump into the Bitcoin show.
John said stop buying on store credit. What's going on, guys? Hope you guys are having a fantastic day today. What a Friday for Bitcoin. We ended the day in a great way. I do have to say, what a way to end Friday. Let me get rid of Jabba and his shirt and him making his freaking graffiti on here. Okay, him his freaking graffiti. But you guys can see we have smashed through the 0.5 Fibonacci level. All right, we're gonna go over all the levels that we smashed, what we think is going to come next here for Bitcoin to start out the stream. But we had to hear from Jabba. We had to hear from Jabba the Shore himself why you should not short Bitcoin in an uptrend. People keep doing it, they keep getting wrecked. So if people want to keep shorting Bitcoin in an uptrend, shorting Bitcoin in a downtrend, that's fine. Shorting Bitcoin in an uptrend usually does not end well for you. So Jabba got liquidated again today, and a lot of people got liquidated again today. Poor Jabba. Jabba, here's $2 for a box of tissues. Yeah, Jabba got wrecked today. But yeah, if we look at Bitcoin on the daily chart, all right, we're going to start on the daily chart today. We're going to start on the daily chart today. Bitcoin has broken the 0.5 Fibonacci level from our swing high from 65K to our swing low down to 29,000, right? We can see Bitcoin keeps hitting these fib levels perfectly on all the moves that we get to the upside, right? First initial move went right up to the 382, pull back, right? Right up to the 0.5, pull back, right? Now in theory, on the daily chart, our next move should be up to our golden pocket area right up here, which is right in between about 51,000 and 52,000, right? That should be the next area for Bitcoin. And this is the big area, right? If we get back above the golden pocket here, you know, between 51,000 and 52,000, to me, it is clear skies ahead, in my personal opinion. This is kind of the bear's last hoorah, in my opinion. If we break this level, I've even hearing the bears, the bears, I've been watching a couple bear streams, a couple bear videos lately. Just hear their side of the story. I like to hear the bear side of the story. This is the level where I've heard all of them say, if we break this golden pocket level, they're all going to flip bullish, even the bears, right? So 51,000, 52,000, that's the level we want to break next for Bitcoin on the daily. Buy some better tissues. You know what? This is a good, it's actually a paper towel. I'll blow my nose with it. Because I've been crying today. I've been crying happy tears, actually. Actually, real quick, let me refresh that thing in the background here. That's going to bother me on your guys' screen. There we go. Perfect. There we go. All right. So that's our next level. 51,000 is our 0.618 Fibonacci level on BTC on the daily chart. Now, we have some stuff that we need to go over in the short-term timeframes, right? All is not... I guess we can say all is not done here on the short-term timeframes. We still have this possible rising wedge that we do have to break out of, right? And interesting enough, if you actually look here on the 4-hour, obviously we made a higher high in the 4-hour. That was perfect. 4-hour RSI still has some room to run if it wants to continue up. Now, if you see here, we're coming up to our wedge. I still don't know if you can call it a wedge. There's only 2 touches on the bottom side. So it's kind of a stretch, but you can at least say the resistance here coming up. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 touches on the top side. We're coming up here to test it for a 9th time now. Will this be the time that we can break this resistance and really start pushing back up to the upside? Sergio said, Jordan, how do I buy some Bitcoin? Here you go, man.
Jordan,
How do I buy some Bitcoin?
Jordan, don't worry, guys. We are playing some pump music. Hold on, is ETH pumping right now? Sorry, I gotta do it. We're skipping over to ETH for a second. Helmet on, boys. All right, so same thing for ETH, right? We just talked about Bitcoin, how Bitcoin's going up to its golden pocket from our swing high to our swing low. ETH is pushing 3,300 right now. Its golden pocket, if we actually want to place these levels here, let's actually place this here. And we're going to place the 0.65 here as well, so we have it. There we go. All right. So this ranges from approximately about 3350 to about 3450. So these are levels to watch here for ETH. Same thing for as Bitcoin, right? We want to get back above this golden pocket zone. We don't want to get rejected from here. This could be a possible reversal point, right? Typically, when you get a back test or when you get a retrace, whether it's the upside or downside, this is a typical level of a rejection. So we definitely want to break this golden pocket. Doesn't mean we have to do it on the first try, right? Just like we did with the 0.5 for Bitcoin. Like, we don't have to break these on the first try. I think people get a little scared. Every time we hit one of these fib levels, we get a little retracement, right? We don't have to do it on the first day. So, you know, for instance, Bitcoin goes up to 51K. I'm going to state it now. So a couple days from now, if we're up at 51,000, a couple weeks from now, whatever, we're up at 51,000, right? I don't want people to freak out because every time we hit one of these fib lines, Bitcoin usually gets a little bit of a pullback. So just want to state it now so everyone's not freaking out when we get up to 51,000 and we get a pullback down here. All right, totally normal. We've done it each time we hit a fib level. And same thing for ETH. ETH has been a little bit different, right? ETH is really only had a pullback on the 382, but you can see, you know, once we hit up here, right, 3350, 3450, this is probably going to be our next resistance. We'll see, right? Should be a big resistance, but in theory, that's ETH's next move on the daily time frame as well. All right. Bitcoin's still chilling. I actually drew like a little 1 minute chart on BTC just for fun. You guys know I don't usually look at the 1 minute. I don't like to look at short term time frames, but you can see here Bitcoin is coiling up for another little move here on the 1 minute time frame. Looks like a little bit of a little symmetrical triangle on the 1 minute, right? Symmetrical triangle, everyone. What do you guys think? This is a break to the upside or to the downside here? We're coiling up for a move as we speak right now. What do you guys think in the chat? Upside or downside? Okay. Put a bull in the chat if you think this will break to the upside. Put a bear in the chat if you think this will break to the downside. Okay. But yeah, we'll watch this. Obviously, this is probably going to break out probably on stream here today because this is the 1 minute, right? Anyways, let's go back to the 4 hour. What we were talking about here in the 4 hour. We are coming up to test, right, the resistance on this rising wedge, right? We know we talked about this. We hit it about 8 times before here. So if we went straight up, interesting enough, if we took our Fibonacci from our last swing high to our last swing low, our 1.618 Fibonacci extension level actually fits almost exactly with the rising wedge. So that could be somewhere our next target. Maybe in the next couple hours, we come up and touch, you know, 48,600. Maybe get a rejection from there and pull back. Maybe break it to the upside. That's the big level to watch here in the 4 hour, in my personal opinion, is this level right here. I'm actually going to put this with a little bit of a ray so you can see it's a little bit better here. Right there. There we go. Yeah, 48,600 approximately. This is the level I'm watching for Bitcoin and sort of the shorter term time frame. Can we break that, right? If we do, most likely we break out of the big wedge. That's been kind of pissing us off lately. Not pissing us off. I mean, it's been great. We've gone up the entire time we've been in this wedge. What's with all the animals? We got a monkey. We got a cow. We got a penguin, a turkey, a sheep, another cow. What the heck is that thing? Oh, a boar, a lion. Wow, you guys are coming out with all the animals here. All the animals. But yeah, that's the 4-hour chart, guys. We'll watch this. It's kind of going to depend on what Bitcoin's next move is, obviously, here on the shorter term time frames. But daily still looks good, right? Daily still looks good. And what I like about the daily, there's one thing I like about the daily, and there's a second thing I don't like on the daily that I would like us to sort of nullify, right? Because this is one of the bear sticking points. There's a couple bear sticking points, but this is the main one, right? The bearish divergence on the daily time frame. We're making higher highs. That's great. But if you look down here, we're also making lower highs on the RSI. So we do have bearish divergence there. Can we nullify that? Well, it would be very easy for us to do so. All we need to do is make a higher high on the RSI here. So all we need to do to nullify this is to break this high on the RSI. So we're getting pretty damn close. I'm actually going to, you guys can see we have bearish div. I'm actually going to just draw a line on this so we can see when and if we break it. I would just want to break this high right here. If we can break that line right there on the RSI, we will nullify that. So we need a little bit more pumpage, like literally just a little bit more pumpage, and we should get over that line. But time will tell. Time will tell. Bro, it's like, it literally was 100 degrees in here. Anyone that lives in Massachusetts can tell you it was hotter, and that might not sound hot to you, all you guys that live in the South. We're not used to this crap. We are not used to this 100-degree weather. It was hot as a mother. Can't say it, but you guys can get where I'm coming from here. Holy crap, dude! I was sweating like a villain today. Still kind of sweating like a villain. Anyways, 47,560 is the current price for Bitcoin. Let's see if we can break this high on the RSI on the daily. Let's go to the weekly time frame. Oh, look at the weekly, man. Look at the weekly. It was looking a little skeptic, right? It was looking skeptic if we were going to break above if we were going to close above the 20 SMA yesterday, right? We got pretty low. I think we got as low at yesterday as, where was the lowest we got yesterday? We actually dropped to 43,657 yesterday. And let's see. Hot as a chili pepper. But yeah, 43,006. So we almost dropped to the 20 SMA yesterday. And now we are so far removed from that. We're talking $4,300 away from the 20 SMA. It is unless bearing some crazy dump tomorrow, or Sunday. I guess we have 2 days left. Bearing some absolutely crazy dump this weekend, which is certainly possible, right? We can't rule that out. It's likely that we're going to get that official close above the 20-week SMA, which we know is one of the things we're still waiting on confirmation for. We don't know if we technically did it last week. Some exchanges we closed above, some exchanges we closed under. So to be exact, we're waiting on this close this week. It looks likely that we're going to get that closed. Like I said, bearing some crazy circumstances this weekend, which I guess you can't rule out for Bitcoin. Bitcoin tends to be a little crazy all the freaking time. So yeah, and what I will say about Bitcoin also on the weekly, I like that we broke this low here on the weekly as far as a wick. I guess that the level I'm kind of watching for now for BTC is this weekly close low from right here back in April, which is our previous support. Can we flip that now? That's at about 49,000. So that could be an interesting area of resistance for Bitcoin on the weekly time frame, right? So maybe we close this week at 49,000, somewhere around that area. Kind of would make sense as far as price structure goes. Maybe close at 49,000, pull back a little bit. I don't know, something along those lines. But yeah, everything looks good there. I mean, we have to close somewhere around this area here. It's a little bit higher now. I'm actually going to update this since we went up in price. It's actually 43,427, but we are significantly above that as of right now. Bitcoin is so slow. Bitcoin's chilling right now. Oh, look at this, guys. Look at this. Bro, this symmetrical triangle is playing out to perfection, bro. Look at this. We're right here, and we just pumped up, and now we're retesting the high of the triangle right now. Let's see if we break out right now. There it is. There it is. Let's see if we close above it. Let's see if we get a hourly close up here for BTC. All right, we got the 1 minute. We got the 1 minute close. Not getting that pumpage yet though. No pumpage. Come on, give me the pumpage. Oh. All right, we'll play the pump music for this. Jeez. Let's see if we actually pump though. I don't know if we're actually gonna pump off this. You know what I mean? Like this could be. You should, in all theory. In theory, you should pump off this. There it is, boys. Look at ETH, bro. ETH is going nuts. ETH above 3,300, 3,311 for my wife right now. ETH is pumping right now. And yes, I am smacking because ETH is going off. We're playing the pump music for ETH again. Don't you smack. Don't be clapping on stream. That is so disrespectful. That is so disrespectful. I can't be carrying right now. Let's freaking go. My mom is hyped right now. My mom is hyped. I officially got her on the ETH train. She wasn't a fan of my wife before, right? My wife and my mom don't really get along very well, Ethereum and my mom. But they've kind of come to terms. My mom loves ETH now. And ETH is going nuts. Going up to test our golden pocket area on the daily time frame. 3340 is our target here for ETH at the current moment. 3342 to be exact. Tsunami, you're setting me up, bro. Do not set me up. Do not set me up, man. All right, you did it. You did it. You did it, man. You set me up. Hold on. You set me up. Let's. All right, we're gonna go see Bob here. We're gonna go see Bob. Jordan's hyping up all these people for no freaking reason. Jordan is hyping up all these people for no reason. He's going to get all these people wrecked. He's going to get all these people wrecked. This is clearly an Elliott wave. This is clearly Elliott wave. Okay? Like, there's no doubt about it. Okay? This is Elliott wave theory. Okay? Just look at this. It takes a lot of effort. Okay? To say this is Elliott wave theory. Okay? 1, 2, 3. Elliott wave. 1, 2, 3. Elliott wave theory. Okay? I could say this is Elliott wave theory. 1, 2, 3. Clearly it's Elliott wave. Clearly it's Elliott wave. Oh, man. I can't, dude.
Let's jump into the Bitcoin chart.
I'm just kidding. I am just kidding, dude. Crypto Savvy has his opinion, okay? Crypto Savvy has his opinion, okay? There's no problem with being a bear. If you're just, the only thing is, if you end up being wrong, just make sure you don't backtrack and say, well, I said this. I said this. There's no problem with being a bear. Okay, we're all friends here. I'm just poking fun. Just poking fun. Even Savvy's fans are starting to jump ship. All right, I heard Cardano's pumping too right now. 205. Let's see. Bob 2TA on Poach. 205 for ADA. So ADA, what's interesting here on Cardano, from our swing high to swing low, we've actually already broke our golden pocket zone. Okay, which is freaking awesome. We already broke that golden pocket. So now ADA's next resistance, technically on the daily, we talked about if we broke 189, it was most likely going to be a straight shot literally until 230, okay, where we closed up on the daily. And look at Cardano's doing now. Pretty much been a straight shot up until that. Not going to happen in one day. Actually, if Bitcoin goes again, I wouldn't be surprised if we start going again. Look at Bitcoin, though. Look at that back test, bro. Look at how this played out, man. Sometimes the 1 minute does work, I guess, a little bit. We'll see if it has continuation, but look at this back test. Break out of the symmetrical triangle, back test the triangle, and pump. Bro, that's friggin' perfect, man. It's friggin' perfect. Broke the golden shower zone. The golden shower zone. Oh, the helmet. How could I forget the damn helmet? Holy crap, dude. There we go. All right. So yeah, we know the level we have to break for Bitcoin here. The next level for me is 48,600 on the 4 hour, right? That's our 1.618 Fibonacci from our last little consolidation pattern. 48.6 is the level I'm watching here for Bitcoin. Not gonna say we're going up to today. We might not go up to today. We might consolidate a little bit, but nevertheless, we'll see what happens there. You know. All right. Come on, BTC. Break that high on the daily. I don't want to hear the bears talking about, oh, there's bearish divergence. There's bearish divergence. I just really don't want to hear that anymore. So please just make a higher high. Please. That's all I'm asking. You can just make a higher high. Stop there today. That's all I want from you. I don't ask for much. I'm a very simple guy, like I said yesterday. It doesn't take a lot to make me happy, right? Crypto go up. And give me food. And don't give me a headache. That's it. All right. So we looked at really what we're watching here for Bitcoin in the short term. The weekly chart, all right, looks so bullish. If we take our bull market high to our bear market low Fibonacci levels, look at what we just broke as well. We literally just broke the 2.618 Fibonacci level there on the Fibonacci levels. And on the weekly, technically on this next target, I mean, you can see from here, I mean, you had a little consolidation up here, but, you know, technically on the weekly, I mean, the next fib level is where you kind of had your all-time highs. So very, very interesting there. And also, looking down here, guys, we talked about our swing levels, whether Bitcoin continues a bull market or goes into a bear market. Look at exactly where we bounced from. We haven't talked about this in a while, but we were talking about this a couple weeks ago. Look exactly where we bounced from right there. Boom. Right at that swing level. Look what happened in 2017. We couldn't hold that swing level, right? We couldn't even bounce from it. We got a little bit of bounces. We kind of stayed in the zone, and then we dumped, okay? And we pumped this time. Look what we did in 2013. We came to the zone, bounced off the zone, and continued the bull run, okay? And look what we did in the bear market, right? We got that initial bounce. So this is what we have to wait for here. Will this initial bounce break? I'm looking at the same levels 2013 as far as dead cat bounces go, just looking left. The level to break right here is right here. This seems like kind of where we bounced to on the dead cat bounces on the RSI level. You see we bounced it right here in 2014, got rejected off this level and continued down. So can we break this level on the weekly RSI, or are we going to get rejected and go back down? If we break this, I think it's all bets on for, you know, continuation of the trend. So yeah, we're right there in the weekly. If we go up just a little tad higher, we should break that level there, where we couldn't break in 2017 and 2014, and we broke in 2013. So very, very, very interesting stuff, I should add. And actually, if you look, what's interesting here, Also in 2019, when we kind of dipped from this little 2019 dead cat bounce and we came back up, we also got rejected there at that same level and continued down. So you can see how important that trend line is as well when you do get those initial bounces. Can we break that yellow line now? Very, very important level on the weekly. Very, very important. Look at Bitcoin though, dude. This played out awesome, man. This is, I was trolling with this 1 minute chart, but damn, that's some good stuff. That's some real good stuff. See if we can get continuation now though. What's pumping right now? ETH, bro. All right, Ada's crushing it too. Ada, bro. Everything's going ham right now. Everything is going nuts. Give me those bowls in the chat, boys. Man. David said, I'm so disappointed in myself for letting your view about Bitcoin go into 42,500 blind my vision. I went stablecoin just to kick in the blank. That's why you don't worry about dips. You just hodl, okay? Then you don't have to worry about the damn dips. Because why? Well, you're always holding your damn coins. It's a long-term view, man. If you're gonna try to top some bottoms, it's never gonna work for you, man. Never gonna work for you. So yesterday when I said I think it's going down to 42,500, it was under the assumption that Bitcoin wasn't gonna do what it does. Bitcoin does what it wants to do, right? I can tell you what's telling me on the charts, but what is the first thing I always state on the Bitcoin charts? Bitcoin does what it wants to do, and it does not care about my opinion, your opinion, Ken's opinion, Bob's opinion, Jabba's opinion, Karen's opinion, Chris's opinion. Does not care about anyone's opinion. So don't switch from, Bitcoin to a stable coin just for a possible 2 or 3% dip. That doesn't make any sense because you're risking the upside potential. So just a future, definitely a future learning experience for you, my guy. Definitely a future learning experience. Let's see. Big dump coming. Big dump is coming. Oh my. Big dump is coming. All right. Let's see. Billy said Jabba, $2 for a box of tissues. Let's go back to ETH. ETH 3310. Getting up to that golden pocket level for ETH. I don't think we didn't quite hit it just yet. Not just yet for ETH. Ada's getting up there too. Next level 786. 215. I promise I'll get Jabba a new shirt. I promise. Thank you, Bridget. I will buy Jabba a new shirt. With that $5, might not be the highest quality shirt, but nonetheless, it is what it is. Let's see what we got going on here. 1,900 peeps in here. We got less than 400 likes. What is this, guys? What is this? Okay, what is this? Do I have to take off the helmet? If I take off the helmet, you know what happens? We dump to 0. Smack that damn like button like you never smacked a bull before. I don't even know what that means, but whatever. Poor Jabba, said Wilson. Zayad said buy some better tissues. Tsunami said crypto savvy. I don't want to talk about Crypto Savvy. MT said Jordan Bob. Yep. Jordan Bob.
Nope. Nope.
Kane said even... guys, enough about Crypto Savvy, man.
Nope.
Enough about Crypto Savvy, please. I can't, dude. Blue Collar Jose just became a member. What's going on, Blue Collar Jose? Glad to have you on the team, my friends. My friend, I should say. But we're all friends, I guess. Jabba, new shirt. Zayad said Link is moving. Let's go check Link. Link the Slink. BNB is going up too. Will BTC ever be 500K? Yes, in my personal opinion. Will it happen anytime soon? Not anytime soon. I think 500K, you're looking at least 4 or 5 years down the road. At least. In my personal opinion. Could it happen? Sure. Sure, it could definitely happen. In my personal opinion, if I don't know. I probably would have taken profits before 500K if Bitcoin was going to hit 500K this cycle. I don't think it will. I'll always keep some in, you know. Like I said, I'll never sell all my crypto. But yeah, man. All right, so we were looking at pullback targets, so that didn't really happen. 2744 for Chainlink. Looks like we're making new highs for Chainlink on this run as well. So that is some juicy stuff. Some real juicy stuff. We'll see if we close the 4 hour above this level. You might have some bearish divergence here on the 4 hour, possibly. If you can't continue up, if you do continue up, that'll completely nullify that though. So it's not confirmed until you get like a red candle, at least the start of a red candle. So make sure you understand that. You broke this previous high, which is awesome. Right there, boom. Broke that previous high. And let's go to the daily. Immortal, I'll definitely check out XRP. I have nothing against XRP. I like to poke fun with the XRPers. They're fun to mess with. The XRPers are fun to mess with because they're so passionate about XRP. So passionate about it. All right. Yeah, but Chainlink, just looking at the daily time frame, I think. Yeah, I think $30.14 is probably my next target there. Psychological level of $30, and you have a couple of highs and lows at that general area too, looking left. So watch out for that level. We'll see if it fits on a fib. Not quite. It goes up to 600. I'm out. Sounds good, man. More than 20 BTC. I will not answer any financial question. I will not answer any financial question about myself. Just a rule that I have. I'll tell you the percentages of coins that I have, but not dollar value. Can't wait for XRP to go to 20 cents. Yeah. Yeah, Chainlink 30 cents, my opinion. See what Bitcoin does here. Very, very weird little I'm gonna get off the 1 minute because the 1 minute's kind of weird. 1 hour, you're kind of just going sideways here for the most part. Little sideways action on the 1 hour time frame. Link the Slink, man. Link the Slink. Let's see. Chainlink. Lick is always salty. Bitcoin about Lick always saying Bitcoin about to crash. Every day Lick comes in here, Bitcoin about to crash, and Bitcoin's at a higher price. Every single day. He's just trolling though. I feel like Lick is purposely doing that to kind of add some bearish sentiment in here. So in hopes that it pushes the price up. That's what I think Lick's doing. I know what you're up to, Lick. I know what you're up to. You need a Bank of Canada NFT.
Basically, Bitcoin is clearly a scam. Cryptocurrency is clearly an idiot with no common sense. And scientifically speaking, according to a study at the Bank of Canada, more people who are financially illiterate invest in Bitcoin.
Facts. Facts. Will BTC ever be worth 500K? Oh, I already answered that one. Eventually. Tony said, I came in crypto in May this year. Lost 50K. Then I watched your channel. Now I'm up 400K. Damn, dude. You must have been... You're up 400K. You must have been buying that damn dip, dude. Holy crap. A lot of money, Tony. I'm holding Aave and BNB. And if they go up to 600, I'm out to buy next move. Yeah, I want to move somewhere eventually, too. I don't know where I want to move, but eventually I will move somewhere. Maybe another country. Who knows? Maybe another country, maybe not. But nice, Tony. That's a lot of friggin' money, dude. A lot of friggin' money. Immortal said, I know you don't like it, but can you look at XRP? I like XRP. Come on. I never say anything bad about XRP. Let's see what XRP's doing. Oh, yeah. XRP's mooning right now. For all you XRPers. I'll play the pump music for you XRPers. Because you guys, you know, deserve it. You deserve it. Here you go. Move to Canada for jazz. Oh, man. Waterfly said, move to Canada for jazz. That's funny. That's funny. Yeah, XRP doing good, though. Let's see if you break your previous high for XRP. For all you XRPers out there. I don't know how many of you guys are out there. But there you go. LEXRP lovers. If you break 109, you're looking pretty good. You're looking pretty damn good. Cardano's going off right now. Bruh! Holy moly. Cardano's going nuts right now, dude. Remember when we were saying Cardano was a stable coin down here? Cardano's a stable coin. Cardano's a stable coin. And Cardano came out and said,
nope. 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 Nope.
Cardano absolutely exploding right now. Last 4 days, you're up pushing 44% in the last 4 days. Insane. In 4 days. You're going up to test that 786. You're going up to 216. You're going up to 7. That's huge. You broke your golden pocket for Cardano. So Cardano is going to be bullish as heck right now. Because ETH hasn't done that yet. Yeah, ETH is coming up to it. Bitcoin's coming up to its 618, right? Cardano, on the other hand, broke at 618. So you got your 786 coming up shortly here. Did XRP now Doge? Doji. People said that about ETH a few weeks ago. Facts. Doge fibs. Yeah, we can do that. Let me get through here. I got a lot of people asking for Doge right now. The Doges are coming back. The Doges, they're out to get me again. Where's the Doges? Here they are. Oh, I don't got the Doges anymore. Damn it. It's all right. They're all coming out of the woodwork. Here they are.
Jordan, how do I buy some Bitcoin?
The FOMO is about to come back. He's still showing at 33.12, by the way. $2 trillion market cap. That's crazy. We'll look at the macro stuff in a second. I know. I was looking a little bit earlier. Decent day for everything there. Can you check out Boson Protocol? I have no idea what that is, man. Guys, new rule in the stream. New rule. No coins under 1,000 market cap. Okay? Just because like no one really has an interest in looking at those coins. Let me see where this is. Make 476. All right, it hits the threshold there. So it hits the threshold. You win. Boson Protocol. Look at XRP. Going up there to test. Boson Protocol. We just crossed. Yeah, this thing, dude, this thing's about to go nuts. This thing's about to go nuts. I don't really know what this is, but the chart looks good. This thing's about to go nuts. You don't have any resistance, really. Like, there's really nothing here. You went straight down for the most part. You could be going all the way up to 227 pretty damn quick there. The daily's a little bit overbought, so that's really the only thing that might stop you here. But that's really the only thing. You know, anything else, you know, Boson Protocol, anything else, you know, that's really it. That's really it. You could get a little bit of pullback, maybe back test here and continue up, but I like this. Man, that's really comes down to not a lot of data on this thing, obviously. Doge. All right, I got people asking for Doge. We'll do Doge. The only one I don't do is Shiba. Maybe one day I'll do Shiba. Today's not the day. Someone wants fibs on Doge. Let's do the fibs. VeChain and Digibyte are on fire. That's exciting. Doge is kind of moving too. Doge is getting a nice move. You got your 236, which is right here. Pretty significant level, right? Previous support, flip into resistance, flip into resistance. You get back over that. And yes, you have a 382 fib right here. But I think the bigger one is the 0.5 right here. Because that's your previous kind of local high right here. So technically 38 cents, 44.5 would be your next resistance points for Doge. You got room to run on the daily if you want to. You're only at I guess you're only at a 72, which for crypto is not that much. Right? You're only at a 72. 4-hour time frame. Maybe a rising wedge. Yeah, volume kind of supports that. Yeah, you got decreasing volume. What I will state is you only have 2 touches on the really on both sides, really, but yeah, I'd watch for something like this. See if you get rejected from the top of this again. It could be a rising wedge, might push you back down, but that's really it. I mean, I'm trying to nitpick to kind of find something maybe slightly bearish here, but that's really it on that. Bitcoin chilling, waiting for its next move, letting the altcoins have their fun. 33.17 for ETH. 33.19 for ETH. We're going to the 0.618, boys. We're going to the 0.618 Fibonacci level right freaking now. This is gonna be it. Will Bitcoin break 48K tonight? We had 79% of people say yes, and 21% of people say no. So most people think it is going to break that level tonight. There goes Bic 47,730 for Bitcoin. I want to get that close above this freaking divergence line. I mean, we have 14 minutes. Unless we get some massive pump here right before the close. It's looking pretty unlikely there. But we'll see, right? We could easily open tomorrow and then get a higher high. Doesn't have to happen today necessarily. But definitely is something to pay attention to there. Cardano at 213. 786, 215, man. Holy crap. You're at an 88 on the daily RSI for Cardano. An 88. That's the highest you've gotten on the RSI for Cardano since February, when you were going absolutely nuts. That's crazy. I wouldn't be surprised if you get a pullback at some point, but crypto does what it wants to do. We all know crypto does what it wants to do. It does not care about any mere mortals. It cares about mere crypto. But that daily RSI is going nuts. Crazy. $33.18. You look at one. See if it's pumping. Harmony 1. Harmony's just kind of chilling. Harmony's not doing too much today. It's trying to bounce, right? You got to break 10 cents. 10 cents is the area to break. Break 10 cents, going to 11.5. It's really what you're waiting for right now. It's not really much else to comment on that. I mean, kind of just oscillating sideways here for the most part. Not really much going on here, my friend. So watch for a break of 10 cents for one, man. You're having a tough time breaking that. Come on, BTC. Get a little pump before the close, my friend. Get a little pump. Keep fighting! Fencing person. Holy crap, man. Said it so many times. What percentage of your portfolio is Link? 33. That's not good, man. Link is about approximately, I want to say Link is about, depends on that. It depends like what it's going on, but I want to say it's like 12, maybe 10 to 12%, somewhere in that area, depending on, you know, what's highest at the time, depending on, you know, what coin's outperforming what coin. But it's usually probably like 10, around 10% of my portfolio, maybe 12. But good question, Zayad. Good question, my friend. I'd probably say I would say it's probably like 30% Bitcoin, 30% ETH, you know, 10% Chainlink, 10% Cardano, 5 VeChain, 5, you know, Theta, and then maybe actually probably less than 10% other coins. Maybe 10% other coins, but right around there, So the genuine, you know, I've kind of condensed my portfolio a little bit, you know. So, oh, a Matic, I added Matic too. Matic's in that 10%. Probably say Matic. I don't know, man. It's around those percentages. I forgot about Matic. All right, 47,780. 47,800 right now. Let's see if Bitcoin can break that previous high on the right there, dude. 47,800. Get some fetch. Get some fetch, IA. ETH. Cardano. Look at ETH. Everything's pumping right now, guys. There's too much to look at right now. We did Doge. 2 trillion market cap. We'll look at total. I'm just going to kind of jump around today, guys. Not a big structure as far as the stream goes today. just kind of jumping around because everything's pumping right now. So if you have anything you want to look at, let me know. But feels like tonight feels like the night we had that parabolic pump, a good rally early, and then boom. Yeah, it kind of feels that way, right? We'll see what Bitcoin does on the close. That could kind of decide what the altcoins do. As we've seen on this run, when Bitcoin goes sideways for just like even a couple hours, that's when the altcoins go nuts. And that's why you're seeing the altcoins go nuts right now. Because Bitcoin's just kind of like lollygagging here for the most part. And you can see ETH going nuts. You can see Cardano going nuts. We saw Chainlink. You know, we saw XRP. Fun times, guys. Look at the total market cap, though. People were laughing at me. People were laughing at me. And guys, I'm not always right? I'm wrong a lot of times. There's times, there's actually times where I'm probably wrong more times than I'm right, honestly. But what I will say is, you know, both our total to market cap wedge and our total market cap wedge played out to perfection. The back test, pump, told you guys that was probably going to happen there. And that has what it's played out since then, right? It was our highs. We were coming down here. And it was from here over like this. We broke the wedge. Everyone was laughing at me when I said the target is up here at our highs. Look at, we're literally almost 3/4 of the way there. Okay? Crypto sentiment can change like this. The falling wedge. You guys notice that the falling wedges have been playing out to absolute perfection? Like, we've had 2 falling wedge breakouts for Bitcoin like the last week or so. We had the big falling wedge breakouts. Falling wedges are awesome lately. Awesome lately. But, yeah. We're going up there. Crypto sentiment can change in a minute. We got a rant alert. We got a rant alert.
Rant alert. Rant alert.
Guys, you remember the sentiment down here? Everyone was bearish. Even I thought we were going to go a little bit lower. Now, I'll never change my stance on where I think crypto is going long term. So down there, I was stating I did think, you know, crypto is going to go a little bit lower. Did crypto go a little bit lower?
Nope, 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 nope.
We went from people being extremely bearish, people being extremely down, people leaving the crypto space, people saying this is a scam, right? This is a freaking scam. We fast forward 3 weeks later. We are almost at 50K for Bitcoin. Total to market cap is more than halfway back to all-time highs. And now everyone's flipping bullish again. Everyone's thinking bull market again. See how fast the sentiment can switch? That's why you guys should not be so emotional with your portfolio, especially on major dips, right? Because you can go from doom and gloom and bearish sentiment, oh, we're going to zero, into 2 seconds later, absolute crazy, massive pumps to the upside. That's why you got to stop being so emotional with your portfolio, have patience, have discipline to hold and wait, and think about this from a long-term perspective and not a short-term perspective, because crypto is extremely volatile, okay? And you see what is the result in being patient. Hopefully being patient. Or you FOMO back in. One of the two. But either way, it's what it is.
Rant alert.
All right, 4778. ETH 3320 and Cardano 213. Cardano we actually almost just about wicked. We wicked right up to the 786, not quite, but right at it. Unless I drew my lines kind of wrong here. You know what I mean? Unless I do it. I'm pretty emotional right now. You can be happy, I guess. You can be happy. Holy crap, man! Dude, I got my damn AC on. Like, not the one in my room, the one outside there. And it is still hot as heck, dude. It's like 100 degrees. I'm dying right now. What's up, Jen? Jen became a member. What's going on, my friend? My friend, Jen. Jen down the street. Please tell me you're not friends with Karen, Jen. Let me know in the chat if you're friends with Karen. VeChain and Digibyte are on fire right now. Let's go check VeChain. We got 3 minutes until the daily close, guys. 3 freaking minutes until the... Oh, one more thing on the total market cap. We knew we broke this high, so I told you guys it's likely, right? We have no resistance on the total market cap on the daily until all the way up here at 2.29 trillion. There's none. You went straight up, straight down, straight up, straight down. Okay? So there's not a lot of trading volume. There's not a lot going on up here. Most likely, you're probably not going to go straight up in a straight line, but you know, generally speaking, the next target is 2.3 trillion. Awesome stuff. You're at I think you hit 2 trillion a second ago, by the way, too. We're right at $2 trillion right now. 47. All right, Bitcoin's trying to get that pump right in the day. This is what we want. This is what we want here. The daily RSI is not quite moving up just yet, but let's see if we can get that pump right at the end of the day. Nullify that daily bullish divergence. We got Bitcoin going up right now. All right, 47,850. Can we hit 48,000 on stream today? I can't even believe I'm saying 48,000. You go back literally less than 3 weeks ago. We were sitting down at 29,000. Now we're pushing 48,000. It's so funny how things can change so quickly in this damn space, man. It's freaking crazy. All right, let's go check out VeChain. Someone asked me for VeChain. Yeah, VeChain's blasting off right now too. Let's just take our fibs here. The fibs seem to be working pretty well for these coins right now, as far as resistance levels go. What's up, IR? Yeah, you missed Jabba. You missed Jabba. He was in the beginning, man. Yeah, you missed Jabba, IR. You got to rewind for the beginning of the stream. Jabba obviously wasn't having the best time like usual. Okay, was not having the best time. All right, so VeChain, next level of resistance. We're looking at the 0.382 fib, and VeChain's going off now too. And VeChain's still very, very undervalued. VeChain was testing 28 cents. It's still at 12 cents. So you're still talking a coin that's still down to this day. Still down 56% from its highs. So VeChain could start moving up real quick here. It's a little lagging behind the market, but VeChain could start moving real quick. All right, so Bitcoin got the daily close. We still have a lower low on the daily RSI. We'll see if we pump to for the rest of today. And hopefully we break that high on the RSI next. All right. Crypto Shock said, "You, sir, are the most accomplished dancer in the crypto space. P.S. Smash like button." I think I'm the only dancer in the crypto space, so I guess that does qualify me as the best dancer in the crypto space. I appreciate it, my man. All right. So, Doge, Fibs, VeChain, Digibyte. We'll check out Digibyte real quick, but Digibyte real quick. Digibyte's doing nice too. Check Digibyte's fib. Yeah. So the fibs are a little bit wonky on Digibyte, but I think these local highs right there, 7.7, probably going to be a little bit of a tough bugger. 1, 2, 3, very, very tough bugger looking left. 6.9 cents, the next level for Digibyte, in my personal opinion. Just my opinion. Look at that, man. Look at that test by ETH. of the 618 fib. Look at that. Can't make it up. Can't make it up. And ADA, look at the, not quite, but look at the almost test of the 786. You can't make it up. You can't make it up. Bitcoin chilling. What day is my birthday? My birthday is on. I forget. I forget what my birthday is. $2 million market cap. We were almost at it. I think we hit it, right? Bull run starting at 50K subs. Well, we're still on the race, guys. Will the channel hit 50K or will Bitcoin hit 50K first? I'm telling you, it's coming down to the wire. It's coming down to the wire. It's probably going to happen some point next week, whichever one wins. So we'll see which one wins, man. I'd be happy either way, honestly. I'd be happy with 50K subs or 50K Bitcoin, honestly. I'd probably rather 50K Bitcoin, honestly. VeChain, did you buy? My man, is your neck okay? And Dot, my neck's good, man. Polkadot. .com, man. Polkadot. This is the fake Polkadot chart. Come on, dude. Give me the fake Polkadot chart. Polkadot. Qcoin. And let's take our fibs. Let's take swing high, the swing low, and our, yeah, 382. So 25.95, dude. 25.95 is the next resistance for DOT. Just looking at the fib levels. We know once you broke this downward resistance, you were going off, and you kind of haven't really been going off, but I think you're going to continue up to at least 26 first for Polkadot before a possible pullback. Very, very important area up there. A lot of trading in this general range. So I think it's likely you come up here and test 26 for Polkadot, dude. Holy altcoins. Holy altcoins. Philly driver said, now I have another problem. My big wallet doesn't hold all my earning and profits. Good thing it is a digital wallet, so we don't have to worry about all your heavy wallet, right? Because you got your little digital wallet, so you're good to go. Facts, Jake. Facts. I like being single, man. You don't have to worry about anyone except yourself. Okay? It's great. It's great. Kick out the person who dislikes this video. Who cares about the dislikes? You know what I mean? That's what I say. And what I've always said, the more dislikes that a video gets, in my personal opinion, the better the video is, because that means that person is stating something that people disagree with, and that means that person has the cojones to actually say something that gets people offended, which no one does anymore. Everyone just says what everyone wants to hear. Okay? Oh, you want to hear this? Okay, we'll do that. So that's why you know, sometimes I think getting dislikes is actually good. Is actually good. In my personal opinion. That means that person does not care about going against the grain. Can you look at Matic? We can look at Matic. Single is not good. Tell me how single is not good. Single might not be good for some people. Single is great for other people. Right? Matic. Lewis said single and loving it. It's great, man. All right, let's see. From Mac. What's up, Zayad? Facts. Sounds like you think people with dislikes is winning. Facts. People who get dislikes are winning. Why do you think the most famous people and the people who have the most influence in the world also have the most haters? People with the most influence in the world always have the most haters. Why? Because they got the most power. Anyways, we're not going to get too much into psychology here. But, yeah, so what is it? Your 0.5 Fibonacci is coming up here for Matic. Matic having a nice day. Well, had a nice day yesterday. I guess it's still today. Still today. It's weird when that happens. You get the daily close, but it's still today, in my opinion. But yeah, you see here 165 is that next resistance for Matic at the 0.5 Fibonacci. It was a little bit overbought, but as we saw with other coins like Cardano and stuff, like you can go up really high on the RSI. It doesn't really matter in crypto, right? It does to a certain point, but you know, if everything's bullish, it's not really going to matter. So I'm expecting at this point probably a retest of 165 coming up here for Matic for sure. For sure. I disliked. Comet in a couple weeks. We can take a look at that. Art said RSI doesn't know smart contract news, bro. It doesn't, man. RSI, hold on, I gotta wipe. Ooh, it's getting hot in this helmet, guys. I'm taking off the helmet. It's getting way too hot in this damn helmet, man. It's way too hot. I gotta charge it anyway. We've been overusing the helmet today. Let's go with what do you guys want to see? I don't like any of these guys. We're just gonna go with my face. My beautiful face. Oh yeah. That's better. It's a lot better here. Bitcoin chilling right now, by the way. Link to the moon. Or let's do Ontology real quick. I'm gonna quickly look at just some of the next resistances for these coins. I'm not gonna spend 20 hours looking at these altcoins, but look at Ontology though. Like, so you were in this wedge, you broke out, came back in, retested the support, broke out again, retested as this top level of support, and have now launched to the upside. So zooming back out, let's take Fibonacci. I think we already have them there, but in theory, don't really match up too well. Actually, kind of weird. I think just looking at basic support resistance, looking left, I think, you know, this local high here up at 132 seems like the most logical level for Ontology to continue up to. Daily RSI is, I mean, it technically is overbought, but does it really matter? It doesn't really matter. It does at a certain point. Now you can see, you know, when it does get to a certain point, it pulls back, but, you know, when everything's so bullish, it's hard to use that as a guaranteed indicator. You know what I mean? And everything's pumping right now, so it's not like you got tons of technical analysis to do. You're basically looking at the next resistance points. That's really it, because everything's pumping right now. Like the TA and the patterns that were already playing out have already played out and are moving up. So, Link to the moon. My wife's still going to be pushing back to $32. Yeah, we looked at Link a little bit earlier, man. Link, $30 is the next resistance for me. But after that, yeah, I don't see anything wrong with $32. It's your previous high up here. $32 could be coming shortly. ETH chilling. Ada wants to go again here. Looks like. Ada's pumping on that smart contract news. You know what I mean? Ada's pumping on that smart contract news, my friends. Tonight feels like the night we had that parabolic pump. A good rally early, and then boom. We're waiting, man. We're waiting. What's Bitcoin doing on like the short term? Let's look at like the 15-minute real quick. Would you maybe have, let's go to like the 5-minute. Like an ascending triangle or something? This is just speculation, guys. I'm just purely speculating right now. I like to speculate on the short-term time frames. Is it maybe some type of ascending triangle? Like so. You getting higher lows. Projected the same point on the top side. See if that plays out. Excited but scared. See if this plays out, guys. Excited but scared. I don't like that, man. I don't like you being scared. BTC pumping on the 1 minute. Ontology. What's up, Sky? Hope you're doing good, man. I saw your sticker, super sticker. Johnny said, think pawn shop will sell my mom's TV back. Yes, Johnny. Make sure you get that $5 and put it in Cardano, right? Buy 2 Cardanos with it. Buy 2 Cardanos. Seriously. Oh, right, hit that resistance at 786. IR, you did miss Jabba, my friend. You did miss Jabba. We'll bring Jabba back out shortly, though. He'll have something else to say. I think he might have tried to short Cardano today, too, which he got wrecked on that. He got absolutely wrecked. Absolutely wrecked. For your dance moves. What's up, Zayad? My name is Jordan 2. What day is your birthday? I'm not going to state my birthday, but my name is Jordan. I cannot lie on that, man. Fear and Greed 76, Extreme Greed. Yeah, I mean, if we looked at the past in the Fear and Greed Index, I'm not going to look it up, but, you know, the Fear and Greed was extreme fear, extreme greed, like this entire run. Obviously, I'm not in the little dips. Maybe it went down to greed, but on this entire run, it was an extreme greed for the most part. So, I mean, it's one of those things that you can... I actually like to use the Fear and Greed Index as a bullish indicator. Like, when there's extreme greed, that means the market is doing extremely well. When there's not extreme greed, it means the market's kind of bearish. I mean, let's be honest, that's kind of what it tells you. You know what I mean? Not so much like a buy and sell indicator. Circumcision. You, sir, are... I am the best dancer. I am the only dancer, like I said. How come nobody ever talks about BNB? Because no one ever asks about BNB. You know, I would talk about BNB if people ask about it, but no one asks about BNB. I've always stated that too. You can even ask people who watch the stream all the time. I always say, guys, why does no one ask me about BNB? It's like, it's the third coin there. And I don't get an answer. So I don't really know. I guess people just don't want to know about it. I don't know, man. That's a good question, though. I've always had that question. So, first initial pump, you got rejected at the 236, got rejected at the 382. You probably will get some rejection on this previous high at 429. But in theory, right, your 0.5 is at 449. But you might get some resistance at this previous high right here. So watch that. But dude, all the altcoin charts just look the exact same. So like, there's not much TA to do on an asset that's going up like this on the daily, right? It's one of those things. You look at your next potential resistance points. You look at your indicators. You know, RSI is a little bit overbought. Doesn't really matter. In crypto at this current time, not really. So it's one of those things like, you're just looking at next resistance points. I'd watch a 449. ultimately. Solana. 1 million euros? I don't know about that. What's up, Dwayne? Thanks for super chat, man. Zillard said, broken. Can you give a shout out to Wheezy? What's up, Wheezy? Shout out from Zillard. So what's up, Wheezy? Robert said, can you look at BTC ST? It's a hash rate token. If you don't know it, it's top 15 BSC. Sure, man. We can look it up real quick. BTC ST. Just kind of chilling, man. Not really doing much. Not really doing much on this guy. Not gonna spend too much time on this. But yeah, I mean, you get a lot of work to do on this one. A lot of work to do on this one. But I'd watch this level right here, right? Previous support. You break that, just in theory. Should be. I'd probably watch this local high here, right around 44 bucks as your next resistance. But like I said, you got a lot of work to do. Your fibs are all the way up here, so not a lot to look at on that one, man. Bitcoin's dumping.
Everybody panic, we're going to zero. Everybody panic, we're going to zero.
Where's all the trolls? Where's my trolls in the chat? All the trolls are gone today. The trolls are only here when Bitcoin price is going down. Where's all the trolls? I can't bring out Bob without the trolls. I want to bring out Bob, but there's no trolls for me to bring out Bob. You know what I mean? That's the only problem with Bitcoin pumps is I can't troll anyone because no one's trolling. You are the troll. Facts. Dude, I literally been watching the chat for the last like 15 minutes trying to find a troll, and no one's trolling tonight. That's when you know that things are bullish, when things are you know, there's no trolls in the chat. KSM. Check KSM for MG. Thank you for your super chat, man. KSM doing nice things. Oops. Let's just bring out their old fib because there's not really much TA to do on this guy. It's basically just looking at previous support and resistances. We're happy. Everyone's happy right now. I like it. I like when everyone's happy. I also like the troll sometimes, though. I do. Bob, do TA on Shib and Shib and Doge. Your mods take out the trolls. Dax. All right. So 236. You broke your 236, which was a pretty critical level, right? It was your previous support there. You flipped it back as support, which is really, really nice. Bring out Chris so we can talk about chicks. Maybe we should. Maybe we should bring out Chris. So 327 is. Can I be a troll for the night? Kirk, you can be a troll for the night, man. Be a troll. Be a troll all you want. 327's the I guess the 382. If you want to take your fib from this level to right here, you could do that too. That one actually makes a little more sense as far as like support resistance goes. So, you know, if you break your 382, which is about 292, where you actually wicked up to recently, right here, in theory, right, 337's next. Daily's got room to run up. Okay, saying guys, it's tough to do TA on an asset that's, you know, besides support resistances, an asset that's pumped 100% in the last, 3 weeks. I guess you're looking at sort of pretty big level right there. Bitcoin is Jules, chill, man. Chill in the chat, dude. Guys. I know it's probably my fault though. I know I talk about Elliott wave theory all the time, and I make fun of Elliott wave theory. Don't be personally attacking anyone, okay? And you know who I'm talking about. Don't personally attack anyone, okay? We can make fun of, you know, the indicators, right? We can sort of, you know, sort of troll, right? But no personal attacks on people, okay? There's a difference between trolling and personal attacks. Big difference. Kick out the person who dislikes the video. Keep them. Keep them. Jacob said, when you're single so long you forget your own B-day. Facts. This is sweet to be happening on a Friday. Facts. Fridays are great. Great. Can you check out BNB and Aave? We did BNB. You can check out Aave real quick. Every coin's bumping. So Aave, in all technicalities, man, let's just give Bob some airtime. We'll check out the SHIB chart. Bob wants to look at the SHIB chart, so he'll do some TA on the SHIB chart. Bob does really good TA, guys. Really good TA. You guys can watch Bob's TA. He's really good. Like I'm not even playing right now. Bob is extremely good at TA. Watch for Bob's, for all you SHIB lovers. I know there's a lot of SHIB lovers out there. So Aave, we broke the 0.5 fib. So now it's your golden pocket. So same thing as Bitcoin and ETH. You got to break your golden pocket now, the biggest one in my personal opinion. And that's up at 477. Makes a lot of sense. I mean, looking left, I mean, you just not a lot of price action between these two levels besides up and down. So 477 is coming for Matic, assuming you continue up, right? You have the bearish div, kind of like Bitcoin. But at the end of the day, it's going to follow Bitcoin. So watch the Bitcoin charts when it comes to general direction. Look at the altcoin charts when it comes to support resistance levels. That's the way I generally like to look at it, right? General direction is going to follow Bitcoin generally, okay? As far as a trend, right? A macro trend. Support resistance levels, that's when you want to look at the altcoin charts. And, you know, little micro moves, right? Some might move, some might not. Shift needs airtime. Man. Lance said, everyone getting generous because we're all up. Everyone's getting greedy right now. I don't think we're quite at that greedy. I mean, guys, we looked at the other day. We looked at the Google Trends data. Still showing that the majority and the general public, you know, the people that will search the Bitcoin price on Google or search for crypto videos on YouTube, things like that nature, still really haven't come back yet, right? It's only really the people that have really stuck around are the people that are still here. So we haven't seen the retail FOMO yet come in my personal opinion. Marco said, can you check VThor? VThor. VThor. Why is... Yeah, VJHO. All right. I was like, why is it? I thought the ticker was VThor. ICP. We got people in ICP again. Oh, geez. All right. VTHO, we broke this downtrend. Ever since then, you've been going nuts. Absolutely nuts. Bitcoin's trying to go up here and retest again. Look at this, guys. It's playing out nice. Still short-term time frame patterns. Been playing out pretty nice here. Just that slightly. There we go. Bouncing off the trend for Bitcoin. Bullish divergence on the 5-minute. Bullish divergence on the 5-minute. Might play out. Legit. ADA's trying to go again. 214 for ADA. ETH trying to go again. 312, 3312 for ETH. Could we get a second wave here tonight? That'd be pretty fun. I'd like that. All right, VTHO. Let's see. Just broke your 236. Nice little breakout 236. 0.382 is up at 1.3 cents for VTHO. That's where you're going next. It's as simple as that, right? You broke these previous highs. Now you gotta try to break these previous supports and flip them into support. Simple as that, man. But yeah, should continue up, assuming Bitcoin continues up. Daily RSI is at 85 almost. You know? They're getting pretty crazy there. I'm a troll, I'm a troll. I'm a troll. Helmet looks beautiful on you. Thank you, Nick. Zayad said amen. Webflare said, love your streams. You deserve way more than 50k subs. Thank you, man. I'd rather Bitcoin go to 50k than me have 50k subs. I'm not gonna lie. Do you think ADA can keep going, or do you think we should start to think about taking profit? It depends whatever your time frame is, man. I'm not selling my ADA. I'm a long-term investor. You know that. I will start laddering out, but it's going to be based on Bitcoin, right? So I have my own laddering out strategy that I'm going to be implementing, in my personal opinion, when Bitcoin hits all-time highs. Okay. You know, as we get closer to that level, I'll let you guys know what my plan is. It kind of depends on what the market looks like when we get up to those levels again, right? If we start to look super parabolic, it looks a little insane. Maybe I'll take some profit. Maybe I'll take more profits. It depends on how we look once we get up there, in my personal opinion. But I think we're going to go up there and test it, at least test the all-time highs again. So we'll see what the market looks like up there. If we're seeing meme coins pump again, if we're seeing, you know, craziness happening again, you know, because this looks crazy, but this is not anywhere near what it was back in May when you had, you know, Sea Rocket, you had Spank Chain, you had all these random meme coins doing 1,000x's. We haven't quite get to that point yet. You know? All right. XRP for me. We did XRP a little bit earlier, my man. QNT and Solana. Let's bust out those real quick here while we wait for BTC to possibly try to retest its highs again here on the 5-minute. Could be looking pretty good. We're not a little pump. All right. What is it? QNT. What are we looking at here? Oh, QNT. So QNT pretty calm the last couple weeks. Yeah, consolidating, man. Look at this on the 4-hour time frame. I mean, you got to remember this thing absolutely had a massive move here. Had like a crazy move, $100 to 190 in like a couple days because of the, looks like Binance there. But yeah, you're consolidating a symmetrical triangle. We'll see which way you kind of go here, right? The trend is up, so most likely you're going to break up out of this based off percentages. But yeah, I expect this to probably move up. Technically, your target would be, if you did break up, let's take the swing high, swing low, extrapolate that up. 200, probably at the $200 psychological resistance, but 203 is the technical level. 203. Come on, BTC, stop being annoying, please. Solana from Sillard. See what Solana's doing. Let's go to the daily. Sally, she said, "Show us your shift." Show us your shift. I will not show my shift. That is rude. Oh, wait. Someone dare say show my shift? Sally. Sally. Oh no, here comes. Oh no, here she comes. Oh no, Sally. 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 Oh, you can't say offensive stuff in the chat. Come on, Sally. Here she comes. I hear her coming up the stairs. What do you want, Mom? What do you want? All right, you can... Real quick. Yep. Real quick. Do not tell my son to show his shift on stream. Who do you think you are, Sally? Who do you think you are? Telling Jordan to show his shift on stream. Do not tell my son to do that. He is an innocent son. Okay? He doesn't need to hear those things. Okay? He's trapped. I try to trap him in his little bubble. So do not tell Jordan to do anything offensive in the chat, Sally. All right? Unless you want to deal with Mama. Unless you want to deal with Mama Cameron. Mama Karen. Do not tell Jordan to do offensive stuff in the chat. Yeah. All right, Solana. Let's look at Solana here. No, Sally, I'm just playing, by the way. I'm just playing, Sally. All right. Let's see. So Solana is at... Solana hit its golden pocket, actually. Last time we had a golden pocket, we had a pull back down. So we'll see. We'll see if you break it this time, right? You're at your 0.618 golden pocket there. Next level is your 786, which would be at about, you're talking $50. $50.25 for Solana if you break your golden pocket. But like we said, you had a tough time last time. Doesn't mean you can't do it this time. But yeah, previous highs and your 786 at about $50. All right. Crypto Jesus said, stay in the pump or get out. It's up to you, man. It's about your short-term investor. No problem with taking profits. If you're a long-term investor, still no problem with taking profits. Would I get completely out? Probably not. Just my opinion. I'm not getting completely out. Nor am I taking profits just yet. Just my personal investment strategy. Haven't quite get to that point for me yet, where I feel comfortable taking profits. Solana. Congratulations, ADA community, for holding strong through all the FUD.
Strap up, we're going to the moon.
Congrats, ADA community. ADA's trying to break this damn 786 fib. I'll be surprised if ADA just keeps going, man. Like, you know, last time ADA was getting hyped. You saw what happened. You know, 8 cents to 130. I don't think anything like that's going to happen, but I wouldn't be surprised if ADA just keeps going here. So... that RSI is getting pretty hot, you know. But does an RSI care about a mere, or does Cardano care about a mere mortal RSI? No, it does not care about any mere mortal here. Okay, no mere mortal. XRP. We did XRP already. Everyone wants XRP. Bring out Chris so we can talk about chicks. Bitcoin is a security. Interesting take. Sky said, man, let's just give Bob some airtime. Bob's coming out in a second. We gotta do SHIB. Can you take a look at Paris, PRQ? Anything under, guys, remember, nothing under 1,000 market cap. We're not looking at any S coins. All right, so I'm gonna look at this. 407. Okay, hit the. Not getting a lot of S coin love lately, which is good. Hopefully people learn, maybe not learn a lesson, but. Seller? We can do seller in a sec. Do seller. AVAX. So the fib levels are interesting here. They're not really respecting levels. I don't love this fit. I don't love it. So I'm not going to use it. But if you're just looking here, right, 99 cents. I repeat, 99 cents is that resistance level for PRQ. That I'd probably look at for next. If you break, you know, if you keep going here, 63 cents right now. Not gonna spend too much time on this, right? But that seems like kind of your swing level there. You break above that, could be getting pretty good. But the fibs don't really match with your current, really the price action at all. So they don't match with the price action. I don't like using it. All right, Bitcoin's right at the support again of the ascending triangle on the 5-minute chart. Let's see if it breaks out here. Been a good pump stream. Good night from Europe. Hugo, peace out, my man. Have a good night, dude. ICP, let's do ICP real quick. Gonna bust through a couple more of these. And then we will jump on into Bob's take on Shiba Inu. Because Shiba Inu, we'll see what he thinks. Bob has some good takes on Shiba Inu, everyone. He has some really good takes. Like, really good takes. I guess, yeah. Just totally never gonna take much. So I'm taking this swing high. I'm not counting the scam wick up here. Not the scam wick, but the huge pump wick, right? 116, 111 makes the most sense there for ICP. If you break this resistance, ICP is just due, man. I mean, it got hammered on this freaking you know, little mini bear market type rundown. It got absolutely destroyed. It came out at the worst possible time for a coin. So, you know, I would be surprised if this actually starts moving up pretty well. I mean, it got destroyed. A lot of people got destroyed on this project. But, yeah. Dusty. Are you serious, Dusty? Are you serious? Look at everyone in the chat. Look at all these idiots in the chat. You guys should be invested in gold. Gold is such a good performing asset. It's such a good asset. My friend Dusty Balls here, Dusty Balls, said crypto is for fools who don't know to invest in gold. It's all securities and the SEC gonna come for you.
Nope. 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 Nope.
Let's look at the gold. Let's look at gold. Let's look at gold. I agree with Dusty Balls here. I agree with Dusty Balls. So let's go take a look at gold. Okay. And check. Let's be nice. Let's be nice to gold. So we're not going to do the normal when Bitcoin came out, you know, from 2011. We're not going to do that. Let's just give gold the benefit of the doubt and take it from its low from 2015. So gold is currently up 68%. Gold is currently up 68% in the last 6 years. That is such a good performing asset. 60% in 6 years. Yeah, it's so good, guys. How could you want to invest in Bitcoin over gold? I can't take that seriously. I can't. I'm getting
Let's
out of
jump into the Bitcoin chart.
Oh, man. Dude, I think he was trolling up there. Dusty Balls, I hope you're just trolling, man. I hope you're just trolling. Gold to the moon. And that was being nice. That's from taking That's where I'm taking from literally the low point to the high point. I could have been annoying and took it from the same point that when Bitcoin came out, but I was nice. I took it from the low point. Stilling up 60%. Gold cheaper today than 10 years ago. ICP, USD, ladder out for USD cash or tether for next dip. It's up to you, man. Whichever you prefer. I usually go cash, but you know, you do your thing, dude. You do your thing. If you want that interest on it with you know, the stable coin, go for it, dude. Dwayne said they with the 199 super chat. What's up, Dwayne? What's up, Dwayne? Cal J said, please check out Seller Buddy. We are ready for takeoff to 25-cent Bitcoin big numbers. Seller. Seller coin. Hold on. Come on, why are you not pulling up? There we go. Stellar, I like Stellar. Stellar looks good, you know, and it looks like the other altcoins, right? Let's be honest. Let's see. You broke to 236. Back tested it, which is nice. The 382 doesn't have a lot of different confluence looking up. I think the 0.5 is a little bit better of a resistance point. Dusty Balls. You don't get it, man. You don't get it. You are a T3 troll. T3. T3, my friend. Become a T2 troll. Okay? And then maybe I'll understand you in the chat. At T3? Come on, man. You cannot troll the ultimate troll. You can't do it. It doesn't work. Let's see. So 6.1, I'd probably say there's a lot of tops and relative supports at this general level. 6.1 cents is that next resistance point for seller. Okay. Let's see. Rounded bottom on 1 hour. I don't know if it's a rounded bottom necessarily. Looks like our little ascending triangle has dipped. Quantum. Geez, so many altcoins, man. What's up, Rashad? I'm about to send my 2 stars to the moon, XRP and Cardano, best believe.
Strap up, strap up, we're going to the moon. Strap up, we're going to the moon.
Remix. Strap up, we're going to the moon. Strap up, we're going to the moon. Crypto Savvy. Hey, Jordan, you don't like me? We got Crypto Savvy in the chat. Crypto Savvy. Everyone wave hi to Crypto Savvy. Crypto Savvy. Everyone wave hi. Crypto Savvy. If, you know, if I knew it was you, okay, you would have the Crypto Savvy logo, but unfortunately, you were too lazy to make a fake account, and you didn't even put the logo, my man. You didn't even put the logo. Come on, man. If you're gonna troll, at least put the logo in there. Come on, man. Come on, man. Steve Bob said, I'm a nice troll sometimes. Steve Bob is a nice troll. Steve Bob is a nice troll. Andre said, boo. Random said, made a epic move in the last 30 days. Yeah, I mean, Quantum's been performing extremely well, dude. Extremely well, man. Proverb, I said I saw Jordan in the Four Flies chat room. I don't think I've ever watched Four Flies. I've never watched Four Flies third. So I don't think that was me. It might have been a fake me, to be honest. The only people I would watch, you might see me in George's chat sometimes. You might see me in MDX's chat sometimes. Maybe, you know, that's really it. That's really it. I've been watching Crypto Savvy streams lately just for the chat, because the chat does it. If you want to see a funny chat on a super bullish day, go watch Crypto Savvy stream on a super bullish day. It's freaking hilarious. It's hilarious, man. I go in there just to watch the chat. It's worth it. It's worth it. All right, Quantum. 1651 is the 382 fib. But yeah, I mean, this thing's been on an absolute roll here. Absolute roll. I think you're up, what, 4x? You know, $5, about a 3x. So, yeah. I mean, 382 is coming next, probably. You got a little bit of a local high right here. So watch right here. Right there. And then $15 is the next one. $15. When was George here last? George was here. Maybe, I think he was here like maybe 2 weeks ago. George was in the stream 2 weeks ago. Cal J, Seller. No. Let's see. Seller. Wait, did we do? Yeah, we did Seller. Erg. Damn, you got. I didn't even know there's this many altcoins. Holy crap. You guys, every altcoin. Holy man. I didn't even know there's this many altcoins available. You know what I mean? We might as well do the whole Pokedex at this point. All right. Not a lot of data on this. Not a lot of data, but it's performing well. It looks like it got listed on Qcoin and did about a 2x in the last like week or so. So it's probably gonna continue up, man. It's not really much I can do with this, to be honest. But I think it looks good, dude. Any thoughts on the new Cypher Keep Network merger? No idea that was a thing, William. No idea there was a new Cypher and Keep Network merger. No idea. So I cannot comment on that one, my friend. Fashad said, I'm just buying XRP and Cardano only because I do believe. Thank you, Fashad. I think everyone believes in XRP and Cardano right now, Fashad. We are all one team. We are all one team. What's Bitcoin doing, though? Bitcoin's chilling, man. Pumping before the stream and then chill. I like this, I like this buy wick right here, though. Like that. We'll see if we get any follow through that. Student coin. Do student coin. Student coin. Man, this thing got destroyed. I remember people. I remember we used to look at this like a long time ago. This thing got. Wow. I guess 85%. It's kind of the same as everything else. I guess it just looks bad based on this chart, but let's see. Not as bad as I made it out to be. I was making it out to be like it was terrible. Take the swing high, swing low. Yeah, sounds about right. So if you bounce off this level, which, you know, support, very very important level. I think 1.2. You just gotta break 1.2. It's exactly where your 236 is, exactly where your high is. And then if you just base it going off fibs, I think, you know, obviously the 382, 1.6 is up next there for student. Yeah. Besides that, I mean, if you come up, get rejected, you know, here, you round out. Might a little bit head and shoulders, but that's only going to be if Bitcoin dumps. You might get that head and shoulders, which might push you back down to here, your previous lows. But we'll obviously watch out for that. That could be a scenario. Bitcoin trying to get back in. Will it get rejected from the ascending triangle support? That's the question. Fashad's about to send us 2 stars to the moon. XRP and Cardano. Facts, Fashad. Perk said, love the energy war helmet on music. Let's keep go. Let's go, Ada. I'm waiting for the next pump, man. I'm waiting. I'm mostly waiting on Bitcoin to make its next move here. See if we can get back over this line. Previous support, trying to flip his resistance now. Monkey loves pickles. Monkey does love pickles, man. I love pickles too. Fashad with the $50 super chat. Holy crap, man. Thanks, Fashad. You're an absolute stud. You're an absolute stud. And shall I call Fashad a stud muffin? Yes. I will call Fashad a stud freaking muffin. We're almost at 1,000 likes too, guys. If we can hit 1,000 likes before 9 o'clock, that would be awesome. That'd be freaking awesome. Thank you, guys. All right. Let's take a break. I'm going to take a break. I'm going to get some water. I'm going to give you guys Bob. Bob's going to go over his thoughts on Shiba. I haven't even looked at Shiba yet today, so this is going to be fresh from Bob. Let's take a break, and I'll see you guys in a short second. Bob has been dying to talk about Shiba. Dying, okay? Hey guys, what's going on? I'm actually really happy right now because we get to look at Shiba Inu. I'm not happy unless we talk about Shiba Inu or Doge. We know Doge had a 9% day today. Let's see where Shiba did. I haven't been paying attention to my portfolio. I've been watching around the blockchain. This is like my 3rd day of watching it. Literally my 3rd day. So let's go down and see where Shiba Inu is. I know Jordan wants to get it to number 50. But let's see where we are at the current moment. Number 40, up 6% today. All right, let's go take a look at the Shiba Inu chart. And all right, so based on my technical analysis, this is based off my technical analysis, okay? We have a clear symmetrical triangle going on here, okay? Clear symmetrical triangle. You guys can see we are about to break the symmetrical triangle right now to the upside. Now, based off my technical analysis, and I am the best technical analysis, I watch around the blockchain, so I know what I'm talking about. I learned everything on the blockchain. If we break this resistance for Shiba Inu, we are going to test our previous all-time high, okay? We're talking 0.00000. Too many zeros for my head, okay? Too many zeros for my head. Freaking ridiculous.
Bobby, it's time for dinner.
No! I'm just drinking Mountain Dew tonight, Mom. Don't even bother putting it in the fridge. I don't want to even microwave it. All I'm doing tonight is drinking Mountain Dew, okay? All I'm doing is drinking Mountain Dew. Someone said it looks like a rug pull. Someone said it looks like a. Someone said it looks like a rug pull. And after we break this resistance, bro, look at this chart. After we break this resistance, okay, we are going to $1. Okay, we are going to $1. can't even get up there, bro. I can't even get up there, dude. I'm done. Man. But yeah, that's my technical analysis on Shiba Inu. I'm jacked up on Mountain Dew right now, so clearly you can see based off my chat, I am jacked up on Mountain Dew. I'm jacked off on energy because I've had 8 Mountain Dews today. I've watched Around the Blockchain 5 times. I'm ready to freaking rock and roll here, okay? I'm ready to freaking rock and roll.
Bobby, it's time for dinner.
Ma, I told you I'm drinking Mountain Dew. I gotta go, guys. I gotta go. I gotta talk to my mom. All right, peace.
Let's jump into the Bitcoin chart.
Man, someone said it looks like a rug pull, too. Yeah, me dying in the chat. This actually does look like a rug pull. The Shiba Inuers. Oh man, you guys are killing me in the chat, dude. This actually does look like a rug pull though. Like just based off this. Boom, boom, sideways. The Shiba Inuers are getting destroyed. Oh man, that's too good. That's too good. Who accumulated Shiba at the bottom here? Raise your hand in the chat if you accumulated Shiba at the bottom. All right. There's people in the chat. There's new people in the chat. Like, who the heck is this guy? Every time I'm Bob and I'm doing a chart, I always wonder who the new people who come in. And you gotta remember, like, the new people who come in, they have no idea what the stream's about. So they come in, they open up the stream, and it's Bob talking about Shiba Inu. It was some symmetrical triangle that doesn't even look like a symmetrical triangle. They come in and they see this, the new people, and they're like, Shiba Inu to all-time highs? But then they see Bob, and Bob's like, the new people have no idea what's going on. It's too funny. Go ahead and hit nope.
Nope. Nope.
So much space, not enough rugs. Mr. Junior Ice said, I got it near the bottom. Nice, man. Nice, dude. Evan said, can you look at DV? Sure, man. We can look at DV. DV. Not much info here, man, on DV. Not much really to say. I mean, you got your previous high here. Break your previous high. You should be pretty, looking pretty good. You know, just in theory. You know what I mean? Dimitri said, that's how I joined the channel. Some people like it, probably join and they're like, what the heck's going on? But they actually like it. I don't know. But yeah, your 236 is right at that same level too. In theory, right? Your 382 is at about 5.8 cents. So I watched that, maybe to an extra distance. There's not a lot of data to go off with this, man. But, you know, overall, it doesn't look too bad, I will say. What's up, LOL? See you tomorrow, man. Thanks for hanging out in Germany, man. It's late over there. Late over there. Jordan needs a drink. It looks hot. Dude, it's hot as heck in here, man. Like I said, it was 100 degrees here today. What time is it? 9? 9 o'clock. Bitcoin's kind of being boring now, guys. So I might, I might cut the stream a little bit early today, just because Bitcoin's being boring. I'm friggin' hot, and I'm also hungry. And yeah, I think we've looked at how many altcoins. We've probably looked at least 30 to 40 altcoins today. 30. What other stream looks at 30 or 40 altcoins? None. Only stream that looks at altcoins, 30 to 40 altcoins. And the only stream, all right, the only stream in the cryptoverse that, you know, I don't really know where I'm going with this, honestly. I have no idea where I'm going with this. My son is home in the pump music. Yeah, I'm also sweating because of the friggin' pump music in the beginning, man. That doesn't help. All right, pump time. Time for George. Yeah, I'm hot. All right, guys. Yeah, I'm probably gonna end the stream early. I'm hot. I might go do something, honestly. I might go do something. But you guys know, as soon as I get off, right, we're gonna start pumping, right? Maybe I'll be pumping ETH. Maybe I'll be, you know, we're not gonna go there. We're not gonna go there. I'll be pumping ETH. We're gonna keep it at that. What's up, Sky? Thanks, dude. The new goal, man. What did we end with today? What did we end with today as far as likes today? 1,000 likes. There we go. All right, I'm probably gonna end the stream, guys. If you guys can hit that like button before you go, we're continuing that streak of 1,000 likes. It's awesome, man. Thank you guys for the continued support of the stream. I'm gonna cut it early, like I said, on Friday. Maybe I'll go do something tonight. Maybe I won't be a crypto addict every day of my life. But besides that, guys, keep it easy. All right, don't do anything I wouldn't do. Stay safe tonight if you end up doing something. Stay cool. Make sure you're drinking water, as always. And I'll catch you guys tomorrow. Oh, member only stream tomorrow. Member only stream in the morning, right, at 10 a.m. So if you want to become a member, press that join button down below, right next to the subscribe button. You can join the stream tomorrow as members only stream. That will be at I think we do those at 10:30. So 10:30 Eastern Standard Time for the members only stream tomorrow. All right. So other than that, if I don't see you tomorrow morning, I'll see you tomorrow night. As always, at 7. All right. Peace out, everyone.